actually cleaning up my YouTube. A lot of toxic stuff. I was a toxic person as well. Shalom, shalom. Was Gucci YouTube. I got a special treat for y'all. I'm taking my time, with my story, developing my story and putting it together well. And I was actually thinking about inviting people in my local community, people in my local church, homies that I've came up with. I'm gonna start inviting them and start having them share their testimony as well, because I've been sharing my story, and people are being touched by it. A lot of people are being moved. I'm getting good reactions, so I'm gonna keep heading in that direction. I'm actually cleaning up my YouTube because I used to post a lot of worldly stuff. I used to post a lot of toxic stuff. I was a toxic person as well. But I'm cleaning up my YouTube. I'm changing things around, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm actually thinking about starting a second channel for my interviews, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm like thinking about it, but honestly, I kind of want to just keep everything just in one place, like one-stop shop. You know what I'm saying? Because that's really how your boy been rocking. You know what I'm saying? Just one-stop shop. Pull up, that's it. But then again, I don't know. We'll see how it goes though. Yeah, man. I'm glad I'm getting the reaction that I am getting. Like, this is like real stuff. This is like real everyday stuff that people go through, and they don't express it. They don't have an outlet. They don't have any answers. They don't have like no one to speak to. You know what I'm saying? And I've been in that position like for so long that I got tired, and I need to start sharing. You know what I'm saying? I gotta start opening up, because like I have like led a lot of people down the wrong road. I've followed people down wrong roads. Like, a lot of stuff led to like a lot of situations. And honestly, I feel the burden of fixing that, of making a tone for that. And the way that I can do it is by sharing my story and influencing the youth to go the other direction. So I'm gonna keep up with the family vlogs and stuff like that, because that is like, I love doing that. That's just what I love to do. You know what I'm saying? But stay tuned for different content as well though, because like I said, I am like a very creative person, and I have came up with like a lot of musical people. Like, shout out to my boy Montana Mills. Like, he was actually like the first person to, not even my cousin was probably, because like, I don't know, it's just been, music has been a part of me for a long time, and I just picked it up being around it for so long. You know what I'm saying? And seeing my OGs doing it, being fascinated, like, wow, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's amazing. So since I'm around it, might as well learn something. You feel me? But yeah, man, I love to create, and I love to entertain. So just stay tuned for new content, for different content. It might take a little bit, because I am gonna be renting like studio spaces and stuff like that. Gotta organize it and schedule everything, you know what I'm saying, to do it properly. Because like, when your boy was, before, I didn't wake up and have a structured day. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm waking up and I'm just going. You feel me? So now I'm just taking my time to actually structure things and do things properly. You know what I'm saying? Like I do have people that do depend on me, and I do have like a big influence, and honestly, I want to use it to guide people the right direction. Drop down in the comment section. Let me know which format you're feeling the most, what content you're feeling the most. And also, it's real deal about to be my birthday in a couple of days. So I am gonna be a little bit busy. So give me some time, be patient. But we're definitely gonna come out with that heat. And on some real, bro, I'm tired of getting these copyright things. And just like back in the day when I was doing my media stuff, reporting on hip hop stuff, constant copyrights from these labels and from artists and stuff like that. If push comes to shove and I do have to like produce everything myself and just have it all in-house, I will do it, but it might just take a little bit of extra time. So thank you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and just like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.